So moving on, if let's say right now we are in the lockdown phase, there are relaxations in place. But if let's say this lockdown continues, or this if the situation goes on, what would you advise companies that may have to lay off their employees?
Yes,
Because
Renoy,
it's
it
not
is.
just about apart from the lockdown phase also, there is a phase where the economy has to recover, because I think we are at a stage where we are not really feeling the after effects of this, but we will eventually after a few months. So during that stage, when we are feeling those effects, or when the economy is taking time to recover, if we have to lay off some employees, how what would you advise companies going forward?
Uh, yes, while it is going to be emotionally challenging for everyone, I'm sure these are really difficult decisions for stakeholders, as no one really would want to let go of your employees during such times. But yes, balance is going to be important to maintain the health of an organization, as you need to survive before you succeed. So, any workforce optimization initiative would require HR teams and may require HR teams to execute layoffs for service units or employees that are unable to achieve your strategic business priorities. During this time, organizations should follow a systematic management approach to the layoff process, and I would
Yeah,
say communicate consistently with the workforce and drive employee engagement. So that's where
yeah,
I would, relate to my slide presentation, Renoy, to answer your question better. When we're looking at these layoffs, we should keep in mind right sizing and identification of low performers, non performers, and non core, non performing divisions.
yeah. So just to follow up on that, what would you say is the best approach in there? Because in some cases you can give them a notice period or a period to improve performance. In some cases, there's a direct decision or an immediate decision made where the immediately the employees let go. So which would be a better process?
See, if the employee is already on a performance improvement plan, I would say, and if you are looking and you have to resort to layoffs, then I think that
Yeah,
would have to be an immediate exit, because you cannot really
okay,
continue with a non performing employee, especially during these trial times. While I do
okay,
understand it's going to be a hard decision, but considering that you did give the employee already an opportunity to perform, and he or she has not done his best during this time. So I would say it should be an immediate exit during that point of time. So it's actually a balance and a weighing of a lot of things during this time, because these are very sensitive decisions that have to be taken. At the same time, seeing how the organization is going to take these decisions, to see how they're going to really survive in this long run, because that's something that is so unpredictable during this time of this crisis specifically.
Get 300 plus services. Chat and email with our team directly. Get stunning discounts and rewards. Only on Vakil Search app. Download now.